All right, so this, as you can see, I'm starting to throw some paint on it now onto the frame, is a Moped, and she is looking rough. I'll take a better video tomorrow so you can see it in the light, but all I'm doing right now is I figured I'd show you pre-spray down, is I'm just gonna spray paint job this thing. I just fixed up the brake on it. So now it's got a working front brake, it's got a working rear brake. I'm just gonna spray this a little bit. Literally just clean it up a little bit. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, and remarket this thing as a mini bike. Because this thing, title is long gone, all that's long gone. So just gonna kind of clean up the plastics a little bit and make a little fun toy for somebody to take out and either off-road or on-road, just somewhere not on city streets. But yeah, this will still be a fun bike. It still runs, and the battery's good. I picked this thing up for 50 bucks. Can't really complain with that. So beautify it a little bit and then send it on its way. That's all I'm doing. All right, here it is running. Ride's pretty good, but it does have a flat wheel because it's rusted out, so that's not good. But brakes work good. It's ugly, but it works.